Hello everyone, myself Aditya Kishore Shinde, followed by my friends Pratik Sonar, Sanket Anna Shinde and Sanket Bhausaheb Shinde. In this video, we are going to discuss about combinational logic circuits. Outline of the presentation would be like: design combinational logic circuit for scenario, adder, subtractor, comparator and multiplexer. Design of methods, types of IC chips based on packing density, small scale integration SSI up to 12 grades, medium scale integration also known as MSI up to 12 to 99 gates, large scale integration LSI 100 to 9999 gates, very large scale integration VLSI 10,000 to 99,000 gates, ultra large scale integration ULSI more than 1 lakh gates. Main objective of circuit design: first, reduce cost, reduce number of gates, reduce IC packages, increase speed, design simplicity. Are some of the combinational logic circuits applications: arithmetic and logic functions, adders, subtractors, comparators and PLDs. Also data transmissions, multiplexers, demultiplexers, encoders and decoders, code converters, binary, BCD and 7 segments. Moving forward to the introduction, logic circuits are divided into two parts: combinational and sequential. Combinational logic circuits, the circuits without a memory. In these types of logic circuits, output depends only on the current inputs. In sequential logic circuits, circuits with memory. In these types of logic circuits, outputs depend on the current inputs and previous inputs. These circuits employ storage elements and logic gates. Combinational logic circuits. A combinational circuit consists of inputs variables n, logic gates and output variables m. For n input variables, there are 2n possible combinations of binary input values. For each possible input combination, there is one and only one output combination. A combinational circuit can be described by m boolean, one of each output variable, each output function expressed in terms of n input variables. Here onwards, I would request my friend Sanket Anna Shinde to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sanket Anna Shinde. I will continue this presentation starting with design procedure. To design a combinational logic circuit, use the following procedures. First, the problem is stated. Second, specify the number of inputs and required number of outputs. Third, the input and output variable are assigned letter symbol. Fourth, construct the truth table to define relationship between inputs and output. Fifth, the simplified Boolean function for each output is obtained. Sixth, the logic diagram is drawn. Practical design. A practical design method would have to consider such as constraint as: first, minimum number of gates; second, minimum number of input to gates; third, minimum number of interconnection; fourth, minimum propagation time to signal through the circuit. Simple design. Example: simplify two inputs or gates truth table by using K-map. The solution would be as: first, problem is stated; second, number of inputs are as x and y, and number of required output is 1 as f. Third, construct the truth table f equals to x plus y, inputs 2 such that 2 square equals to 4 possibilities. Fourth, using K-map to simplify the circuit. Fifth, the final design. X, y and f. In the right hand side, we could see 2 inputs and x and y, and outputs equals to x plus y. Question of binary adder, half adder. Design a combinational logic circuit that perform arithmetic operation for adding 2 bits. Answer: solution would be n equals to 2 bits and n square equals to 4 possibilities. There are 4 equations: 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 10. The input and output of binary adder as shown in truth table beside binary addition of 2 bits. S equals to x bar y plus x y bar, C equals to x and y. block diagram. In presentation of half adder, X and Y are inputs and output we get S and C. In circuit A, we come to know S equals to X Y bar plus X bar Y. C equals to X Y, and in circuit B, we get S equals to X plus Y, C equals to XY. Now, my friend Pratik Sonar will continue this presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Sonar and I will continue the presentation starting with binary full adder circuit. The circuit designed to add 3 bits is known as binary full adder circuit. The truth table K-map along with the diagrammatical representation of full adder circuit are presented on the screen. Subtractor circuit. Digital computers perform a variety of information processing tasks. Among the basic functions encountered are various arithmetic operations like subtraction. Basic rules of subtraction are 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 borrowed from the higher state. The truth table of half adder circuit is presented on the screen. The equation of the subtraction circuit is D is equal to X XOR Y, and borrow circuit is D is equal to X naught into Y. The diagrammatical representation of half subtractor circuit is presented on the screen. Full subtractor circuit. The circuit designed to subtract 3 bits is known as full subtractor circuit. The truth table of full subtractor circuit is presented on screen.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Bhausaheb Shinde, and from here I will continue the presentation starting with binary subtractor, full subtractor. Question: design a combinational logic circuit that performs arithmetic operation for subtracting 3 bits. Answer: n is equal to 3 bits, n is equal to 23 is equal to 8. Comparator: the comparison of two numbers is an operation that determines if one number is greater than, less than, or equal to other number. A comparator is a CLC that compares two numbers A, B and determines their relative magnitude. The outcome of the comparison is specified by 3 binary variables that indicates whether A greater than B, A is equal to B, or A less than B. Example: design a combinational logic circuit that compares two 1-bit number A and B. Solution: A is equal to A0, B is equal to B0. Multiplexer data selector. Multiplexing means transmitting a large number of information units over a smaller number of channels or lines. A digital multiplexer is CLC that selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line. The selection of a particular input line is controlled by a selection lines. Following diagram is a design of multiplexer. AND gates used to represent inputs, 1 OR gates only used to collect inputs, NOT gates as a selector to connect input to output. Example: design 4 into 1 multiplexer. Solution: number of inputs is equal to 4 is equal to 2 square, number of select is equal to 2, number of output is equal to 1.